Hello, I'm Virtual Assistant from ASUS Support site. There's plenty of support for you to explore. With my help, you can get what you need quickly. Just open the chat and tell me what's bothering you. With Speak to Text, you can ask anytime and get answers instantly.
My laptop screen was flickering violently. What should I do?
We offer a variety of ASUS products for you to choose from, along with a direct link that takes you straight to the service portal, like Download Center, Apply Online RMA, and Inquiry Services. Just enter your serial number and the required info to get an accurate device status. Whenever things get complicated, no worries. You can seamlessly connect with a real agent for personalized support. The perfect blend of ASUS Virtual Assistant and human service. Don't forget to fill out the satisfaction survey. Your suggestions powers our progress and helps us serve you more effectively. Smart support, always by your side. Make your tech journey easier.